Justin Lobato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage today, and we're here to talk about the Pinnacle Bodywork Shampoo. I gotta tell you, there are tons of automotive shampoos on the market to choose from, and there's different levels. There's your very inexpensive ingredients all the way up to your premium, and this is one that is in that premium category. It is not only, formulated with a lot of different premium ingredients, but it's also one of the top sellers because of how well it's done in the Autogeek background with all the different products that are offered. This is one of the top dogs when it comes to automotive shampoos. And why, you ask? Well, first off, the smell. The smell is, you open this up and just immediately you get that coconut smell that makes you feel like you're on the beach. It's gentle on your hands, it's biodegradable, but realistically, it has coconut in it. So that helps add to the luxury of lubricity. That lubricity level is through the roof. And when I say that, you could put your hand in the bucket and feel your fingers, and you could feel how slick that formulation is in your water. And that's something that you could also feel as you take your wash mitt and you glide it across the surface of that paint. It just has the glide to it. Now, if you have some grabbiness, you need to change your soap or add more to it. And if that's the case, that's why you should be switching to, of course, the Pinnacle Bodywork Shampoo. The other side of that is, when you're adding it to a 5-gallon bucket, obviously you're not filling your 5-gallon bucket to a total of 5 gallons of water. You're usually right around 4 gallons, but this is something where you add anywhere from 1 ounce to 2 ounces, to get your level of soap, suds, and lubricity that you're looking for specifically, and that will satisfy the level of wash you need to perform on your vehicle. And this is something that's gonna be safe and effective. It's biodegradable, so it's gonna help remove dirt and grime safely and effectively. Again, because of that lubricity, that's what's going to add to not allowing that dirt or grime to mar and or scratch your painted surface. This is safe on all your traditional waxes and paint sealants. You won't have to worry about it degrading that. I can tell you, one of the biggest things is, again, going back to that lubricity. I can't stress that enough. This is probably one of the highest soaps that offer a lot of lubricity in the wash. And of course the suds too. This is what's called TUFF SUDS formula. So this is offering a level of suds that you'll notice might be above and beyond what your traditional soap has to offer. But that's a good thing though. You want that. You want that feel, and it of course leaves a nice shiny vehicle left behind once you get done washing it. There's a very large categories of automotive shampoo that I absolutely love, and I gotta say, this is one that I personally really enjoy. And I gotta say, if you're washing your car this weekend, next weekend, doesn't matter. Go to autogeek.com, type in Pinnacle Bodywork Shampoo, and that way you could get your hands on at least a 16 ounce. They come in 16 ounce and gallon. But get your hands on this, try it. Compare it to the existing soap that you're using, and I promise you, you will absolutely love this stuff and probably completely switch over. So remember, you wanna get your hands on this, stop what you're doing, and visit autogeek.com.